Nature Jadd here, coming to you live from majestically beautiful and flowing Sweet Creek Falls. Now this is the lower portion of Sweet Creek Falls. Sweet Creek is a creek that leads to the Siuslaw River. The Siuslaw being an ancient river, obviously, that leads to the sea. Nature Jadd here, coming to you live from Sweet Creek Falls. Now this is the lower tier of Sweet Creek Falls that pours down and cascades over those rocky cliffs, leading to the rest of Sweet Creek, which flows smoothly and roughly all the way to the Siuslaw River, and then carries that water first to an estuary and then to the mighty Pacific Ocean. Now the Siuslaw River in Sweet Creek Falls has been a sacred place for the Siuslaw Native Americans since time before time and the time before that. And legend has it, at the base of these falls there was once a majestic creature that was very dangerous called I think it was called the Pterodactyl Beak of Sweet Creek, and it would emerge if someone ever said the phrase "freak of the week" 3 times, which is weird, I know, but I don't believe it, so I'm gonna try it. Freak of the week, freak of the week, freak of the week. Oh no, it's got me, it's gonna drop me in the water. Nature Jadd has died. Nature Jadd here, coming to you from the top of Sweet Creek Falls that flows into the Siuslaw River and then into the mighty Pacific Ocean. This falls has been an important Native American landscape since time before time, and legend has it there is a Sweet Creek terrifying pterodactyl that comes down from the skies, picks you up, and drops you into the deepest depths of this tumultuous river. If you say the phrase "freak of the week" 3 times. But like I said before, I don't believe that, so freak of the week, freak of the week, freak of the week. Oh! Killing me! No! Nature Jadd has died.
I'm needed wherever outlaws rule the West.